This is brand new. It's specifically made for beginners, and all you need to do is go to www. Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about how you can make $100 a day online as an affiliate marketer, and actually it's more than that. Now the results for the first day actually netted over $100, and the results for the first week has netted over $1,000, and that's what this video is all about. And we're going to begin right now. About a week ago, I believe about 8 days ago, I got an email. I get a lot of emails that are similar emails, and most of the time, almost all the time, they're going to go to trash. But this particular email was from Mark Ling. In case you don't know, Mark Ling is the founder of Affiliate Rama. And if you're not familiar with Affiliate Rama, I'm going to leave a link below, but that happens to be the largest affiliate marketing community and the largest educational website on the internet, and it is free. Since it was from Mark Ling, I opened the email. What got my attention was not the $100 a day, but the fact that Mark had documented what he did actually in front of an audience, put it on video, step by step, inch by inch. And that's what really got my attention, was set this up as a training site. So a complete training site, free training site, and it revealed every step that you would need to take. In fact, it's a whole lot better than virtually any training site that you're going to find on the internet. Mark Ling is literally the second best website trainer on the internet. You know who the best is, right? So seriously, Mark's training is outstanding. So I decided to investigate, and of course my intent was that the training was going to be worthy of sharing with you, and therefore I'd be making a video about it. And it is so worth sharing. Well, let's jump into my laptop so you can learn more. So allow me to share with you what I've discovered, what I found. The first thing that I discovered was a 100% free training course. A free video course. Initially it was 27 videos, and Mark's actually added more, and now it's 32 videos. And here's what I love about the course, and I think you're going to love this as well, and that is that the training is literally from A to Z, every step of the way. So if you're a beginner, you can use this. If you're experienced, you can use this. And when I say A to Z, I'm serious. I mean, it goes right from web hosting to installing WordPress, adding web pages, creating header, footer, sidebar, and so on. Mark's created a video training series that shows you exactly what you need to do every step of the way. What I want to share with you, or what I want to show you, is where this training becomes priceless, and that's the Facebook part. Mark is going to show you and I how to get a top-notch Facebook-friendly website, and you're going to discover some of the best Facebook training on the planet, some of the best Facebook secrets. What you're going to end up with is a website that's literally designed for Facebook. It's going to be a site that Facebook is going to love. And then his videos go on to show you how to take advantage of this through your Facebook ads, to the tune of presently about $160 net per day. There's more. That's per site. That's per site. So let me show you what else he's done. I've taken you to a site that he's put together with some of the best niches. Look at these niches. Some of the best niches, some of the best affiliates that you're going to find. The niche that he shares in the video has a 75% commission, and it's a red hot niche. Can it get even better than this? Yes, because the affiliates that he shares are going to provide you and I with virtually everything that we need to be able to create a website, a full-blown website. I created a full-blown website, 30-page website, in about 3 hours. And I added a lot of extra stuff, and that includes the email campaign, the email part as well, in about 3 hours. because these affiliates are going to provide you and I with stuff like articles, landing pages, brandable ebooks, our email campaign, and much more. Next, let's take a quick peek at the site that I created using this exact process. So I created a 30-page website along with an email campaign in just 3 hours. Now that may take a few days, but not 3 hours. So that's what I'd be thinking if I were watching this video. That's the beauty of what you're going to see, how this is actually possible. So with Mark's help, what he's helped me to do and can help you to do is to create, in my opinion, the most Facebook-friendly site that I've ever made. Even if you're a brand new beginner, this is going to work. To get access to all this for free, 100% free, no strings attached, the website is Commissions Club, Commissions, COMMISSIONS, Club, CLUB.com. That URL again is commissionsclub.com, 100% free, no strings attached. Enjoy. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, give us a big old thumbs up. Do that right now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.